Who's the sassiest, brassiest, classiest cat?
Heathcliff!
Who's got charm? Who's got warmth? Who's got style? You can bet he'll never get caught in the dog catcher's net.
Heathcliff!
Who's light on his feet, a whiz at the skies? Who'll steal a mackerel right under your eyes?
Heathcliff!
Here come his friends, a trio of creeps. Dingbat,
Blah, blah!
the vampire dog, Spare the skeleton, and that jack-o'-lantern of all trades, nobody. It's the Heathcliff and Dingbat Show. We now return with the Heathcliff and Dingbat Show.
Once upon a time, long ago and far away, there lived a little cat with a little boy and a little grandma and no money. Everyone was very, very poor.
And very, very hungry.
The little boy was sent off to sell the family cow so that they might have some food.
Our prize Holstein will fetch some big bucks at the market.
Frankly, kid, that old cow ain't worth nothing. But since you're a new customer, I'll give you a break. I'm gonna trade you some magic beans for that worthless cow.
Magic beans?
These magic beans will bring you great fortune. You'll be rich. They've already made me a wealthy man.
Well,
Then it's a deal. Oh, you sweet talk me into it. Come on, cow. So long, kid.
You traded a prize Holstein for a few beans?
but they're magic beans. They'll make us rich.
Someone's gonna have to put this boy in touch with the real world.
What? You traded a prize Holstein for a few beans?
God must have loved poor folks. He made so many of us. Well, tomorrow's another day, unfortunately. Hey, what is this? A germinating magic bean? A vigorous little thing. You might even say aggressive. I mustn't get carried away. Every time I go to bed without eating, I get these bizarre dreams. But soon I'll wake up and be back in control again. Well, very expensive real estate. Whoever lives here ought to be able to maintain a pussycat of my diminutive stature in a manner to which I could easily become accustomed. Check this place out. It's pure fairy tale. A castle in the sky, a sleeping giant, and a goose that lays golden eggs. Frankly, I'd prefer to be free and in Philadelphia. Uh-oh. My, what a big paw. Timmy, any final requests, little fat cat? Well, I always wanted to see Paris before I die. Forget it. Oh, this boy could use a little spice in his life. Here, have some pepper. It clears the nasal passages and stimulates the soul. Gesundheit, crab cocktail, smoked salmon, and cherry gelatin. Hey, fresh bread with lots of bounce. Do you folks always eat this well? You got a big mouth for such a teeny kitty. And a taste for fine champagne. Won't you join me? Excuse me while I check out the fish souffle. The giant awakens. The plot thickens. That pitcher better be full of milk. Ouch! Hot chocolate. One of my favorite goodies. I usually take only one lump of sugar, though. Oh, this dream is developing into a dizzy nightmare. She. Open up and kiss your sweet bicuspids goodbye. Okay, I warned you. Sometimes I'm a bit hard to swallow.
I'll smell the blood of an Englishman.
Then you don't want me. I'm French-Canadian with a little Italian on my father's side.
That's close enough. My dog needs a little exercise. And I just love a good chase with a strong element of danger. Faster, you guys. I want more action.
How embarrassing. Me hiding out in a mouse hole.
All my life I've been waiting for a moment like this. And stay out!
This isn't very entertaining. Huh?
Just passing through. Very roomy. Quite a vacancy in there.
Raise.
Missed by a nose.
Nothing personal. I was aiming at that little fat cat.
Fat's where it's at, if you're a cat.
You know, it isn't smart to make me look stupid.
But it sure is easy. Hey, Goose, your dream of freedom is about to become a reality. And I'd like to book a flight on the first goose out of here. You got it, little kitty. I haven't been out in years. Are the Dodgers still in Brooklyn?
Heathcliff, where have you been?
Well, you aren't going to believe this, but remember those magic beans you brought home?
And the racers are getting ready as we prepare for the 13th annual Manster Rally. Today, the creeps in their monstrous creepmobile take on Baron Lafitte Lacheat and his turbocharged Dynamobile.
And you'll never guess who's going to win.
We gotta get this new engine in now.
Right, Bob.
Careful, Bone Nose. That new engine's very delicate. Yeah, and it's got a 4-cylinder snout. Gentlemen and yeesh. Creeps, start your engine.
And they're off. I'd better set a diabolical trap that'll keep those creeps out of the race.
Quick, spare rib, stop that boulder. Nothing to it. It'll never get through me. Come in. Whoops! Only a bone brain like you would make a fence with a door. Now unflatten us. Right, boss?
The Baron is way in front. The creeps better get back in the race before it's over.
Can't you drive any faster?
No. Would you care to try? Blah, blah.
Dingbat, you numbbat. What are we gonna do now?
Have no fear. Dingbat is here.
Ding dong, you brought hornets.
Have no fear. I have a way with hornets. Rock-a-fly baby on the treetop.
Great. Now get rid of it.
Horror! The hornets are baking!
See you at the finish line. If you get that far, that is.
Spare rib, go up there and see where we are.
Okay, just do what I tell you, and we'll be all right. Right. Now left. Now right again. Left. Right. Left. Left. Right. Left.
Did you say left?
Right. Oop, I meant left.
How are we gonna finish the race without a spare tire?
We have a spare pumpkin.
You can't do this to me.
But no, Bloody. I thought you always wanted to be a big wheel.
And the creeps win. Sort of.
Congratulations, you won. Hey, no, Bloody. We finished first.
Yeah? Great. Now get me out of this cup.
Gee, I don't know. It looks very nice on you.
Yeah, you never looked better.
Finished first, huh? When I'm through with you, then you'll be finished.
We now continue with the Heathcliff and Dingbat Show.
Today feels like my lucky day, and a sharp pussycat mustn't let it slip uselessly away. Aha, my worthy protagonist. Spike seems to have made a hard fix on something of interest. I must check this scene out. It's all very clear to me now. A hungry dog, a curious cat, and a man with a huge sandwich soon to be without. What a fine scenario.
I'll never finish this huge sandwich. Maybe after a nap I'll be ready for it.
Opportunity knocks and temptation lifts its head. There's only one way to deal with temptation. Surrender. Thanks for lunch, but I really must be cruising along. You're cruising for a bruising, cat. Hey, you have a real knack for rhyme. And you've got a knack for ticking me off. Thank you. Score one for the bulldog. The invigorating thrill of a good chase. Thank you. Again.
Hey! Who let this cat in here?
Everybody's got to pay some dues sometimes. Score one for the short, fat cat. Put it on hold, Spike. Yonder goes our hot lunch over the hill. If we don't get it, somebody else will. I gotta stop that, Spike, if I'm gonna get that pail. The inflatable Heathcliff blow-up doll. A little helium for lift. Not an unreasonable facsimile, but they'll never replace the real thing. Gotcha! Hey, uh-oh. That ain't him. Hey, I have a horrible fear of height. Oh, it's not like me to let a friend down, but... Hey, we were never too friendly anyhow. No more Mr. Nice Guy. You mean I've been getting preferred treatment? There you are. Hey, I'm not prepared for these sudden reversals. It's only fair to warn you, Cat. I'm into full contact karate. Karate, huh? I'm into solar energy myself. There is that elusive lunch. And here it comes back this way. Let me see. Where is it? Hey! Excuse me, Your luck has run out, Cat. Good. My luck hasn't been too good lately anyway.
Hey, now I'm ready for that huge sandwich. Oh, I'm lucky it wasn't stolen while I was sleeping.
I suppose you've got one of your corny cliche sayings for this occasion. Well, how about you win some, you lose some? Easy come, easy go? Cheaters never prosper? 54-40 or fight? Tippy Canoe and Tyler too? I had to ask. lotion. I'm as pale as a ghost. This creeper tan lotion ought to put some color in my bones.
Dingbat, get out here, you scaredy bat.
Just a minute.
Oh, I've lost my $100,000 diamond earring. Oh, gods.
Uh-oh. I better ditch this and come back for it later.
Uh-oh, lost another lure. The fishes ought to like this pretty one.
Have you seen my diamond earring?
Was it about this big with a small gold ring and a big diamond on it?
Yes.
Sounds like my pretty lure.
Your lure?
Don't worry, I'll get it back.
I think you caught a big one. Blah, blah, bling.
Look out! Give us some light.
Hey, I found the earring.
Great. Now you can find us a way out of here.
Just leave it to the great Dingbat. I just happen to know that all whales have ticklish tonsils. Goochie, goochie, goochie,
Where's the diamond earring?
Uh-oh, it's gone.
It must be somewhere on the bleach.
Spare rib, get out our creepy diamond sniffer.
Right, boss.
I better find that diamond before those creeps do.
Start digging.
The earring! I found it!
The earring! I found it!
I think you found an oil pipeline.
Gotcha.
Hey!
I'll catch you, Blob.
My earring. It was here in my purse all the time.
Get me out of here, you creepy creeps! From now on, I'm going stray!
At least we got rid of him.
Yeah. Now we can relax and have a whale of a time.